Kitwe Vocational Training Center, KVTC, is at the forefront of empowering young women in Zambia by providing them with hands-on skills in traditionally male-dominated fields such as heavy equipment operation. In a society where gender stereotypes often limit opportunities for women, KVTC is breaking barriers by equipping young women with the skills and confidence needed to excel in roles typically reserved for men. Through specialized training programs.
My name is Innocent again. I'm a student at KVTC Vocational Training Center doing excavator operations training. I have a certificate in heavy equipment repair. I didn't want just to end there. I decided to add a certificate in heavy equipment operation. I learned about this course, heavy equipment operations, here at KVTC. The time it was being introduced, I was a student doing heavy equipment repair by then. It has been a good experience and I've learned a lot. I've learned about machine operating and checking. The advice I can give to my fellow women and young youths out there is to take up this course, try it out, let's not leave it for men only.
By participating in these courses, young women are gaining the skills necessary to secure well-paying jobs in industries such as construction and mining, which are vital to Zambia's economic growth. KVTC's commitment to gender equality is evident in its inclusive approach to education. The center actively encourages female enrollment, providing a supportive environment where women can thrive alongside their male counterparts. Through its efforts, KVTC is not just training women. It is empowering them to reshape their futures, build their communities, and contribute to the broader economic landscape of Zambia. The center's dedication to providing young women with the tools they need to succeed is a testament to its role as a catalyst for change, driving gender equality and economic empowerment in Zambia.